Welcome, and thanks for taking the time to watch this. I am Carl Clift, one of the founders here at Live Clinic. So what is this video all about? Well, I'm going to show you how Live Clinic can fit within your business. Simple as that. I will show you an existing client, why they chose us, and how they are using our platform. And what's in it for you? Well, the purpose of this video is to have you start a free trial, or not. If you do decide to start the free trial, we want you to define success goals for the trial. And why do I say this? Because success for us and for you is not you starting a free trial. That is just the beginning. Success is Live Clinic helping you with your most valuable business activities. And what do these look like? Well, you are likely looking for better lead generation and nurturing, better delivery of consultations or services, client retention and follow-up processes, and more efficient communication within your company or network. So today you use multiple systems such as websites, video conferencing tools, scheduling systems, e-commerce platforms, point of sale, and CRM systems. And you have had to duct tape these together to work properly. And we are not looking for you to necessarily change your business processes. We want them to make more simple, seamless, and have them provide a better customer experience. And the example I'm about to go through shows exactly how we added onto their processes with very little disruption and additional effort on the part of the employees. So let's look at Toronto Hair Transplant.live.clinic. Now you are a large business, so let me define what this client looks like and let's see if you are close to them. This business has existing assets and processes in place already, and I've duct taped them together as I described previously. They are not technology experts and neither are the staff. Prior to using our platform, all prospects for the client would have to meet in person at the doctor's office with one of the surgeons, usually multiple times. These consults would usually occur after surgery times, so 5 p.m. onwards. If a patient couldn't come in person, the doctors would move on to the next consult or prospect. Our platform has allowed the doctors to have video calls as part of their lead generation activities, thereby reducing the time required for them in the office. Also, this saves time for the prospects as well, less driving. The video call has also allowed the doctors to sell to those who are not within a reasonable driving distance of the office, as all data gathering is being done via the video call. This makes sense. The doctor can see the patient's hair on the video call, discuss options right there, exchange images, documents, create notes, and give pricing options, all in the same thread. The doctor also uses the platform for post-surgery follow-up, so clients can visually show their hair on the call without the need to drive into the office each time. So the doctors have reduced the time of the sales cycle and made it more convenient for the client and doctor pre and post surgery. And here's a customer testimonial from the doctor and outlining exactly what key areas they found useful. The calendar scheduling, much easier than other systems. They can provide notes inside the platform. Video is much better than camera. There's a credibility where you have a branded platform of your own. Having clients register on the site is also part of pre-qualification. And they can also track all clients who go through our system straight to a sale. So we exactly know if it's working. So let me show you how this works actually on the website. So here's the website itself. And the platform, again, is a web page builder it built in. So the client has actually created this page. This page is used for nurturing and then used for client booking. So here's how the journey starts for them. Here's some frequently asked questions. Here's how the hair consultations work. And here's how you book online. Very, very simple. If I then go and log in to the system, we can actually show you how they set it up. So this is the back end of Live Clinic, the software itself. And on the left-hand side, you will see a number of tabs. So the first thing the doctors would do is they would set availability. So for example, I'm in here as a pretend doctor. I can go to Wednesday and I can add availability. And if I'm going to be doing evening calls, I could say start my evening at 7 and say go to 9 o'clock and then save. So I've now just added availability. If I'm going to be doing every Thursday, for example, I could go into my recurring settings and I can add intervals for Thursday. So that's how you would set the calendar, and that's how they are doing it now. On the landing page here, this is how you actually set up your website itself. So you would start with your color schemes, add your logos, and then create your page itself. And our page is built up of blocks, and the blocks are all at the bottom. And you simply add a block that you would like, for example, features, and then you edit it. Add your text and content here, images, and save. You can then move these up and down like this. And then when you are finished, you can actually go to your home page, and each of these blocks here are the blocks I'm defining over here. Very simple to set up. So let me also then show you how you can actually look in from the client point of view. So now I'm logging in as a possible client or an existing client. So now that I'm going into the actual booking section here, I will have choices based upon the services that the doctors have created. So in here, they've created as questions and 2 different consultations, one via phone and one via video, and they will change these. You'll also notice that there are no charge for these, so they are using them for lead generation. So I can now go into here and say I would like to book a consultation. Today, Dr. Huber is available at 6 and 6:30. If I wanted to change the date, I can see his availability, and he's put these 7 days out. If I wanted to choose a date, for example, Thursday, I would then choose 8 o'clock. I can type a message in here, and we can make it absolutely required. So I'll actually type it in, continue, and then I schedule that appointment. And in this case, that message would give me a little bit more information about who I am and what I'm looking to do. When that appointment time comes by, then I will simply log back in here, hit start consultation, and I will view that appointment. And in that appointment, I will be able to upload images, upload documents, exchange notes while we're talking, and also receive documents and pricing options, for example, from the doctor inside that same thread. 3 or 4 days later, if I wanted to go back and look at that, I could also do that as well. So that gives you an idea from the client side what this looks like. If you are interested in moving to a free trial, we welcome that, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks.